Welcome to this complete guide on Monday.com boards. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about creating and managing boards effectively. Boards are the foundation of Monday.com. They're where your team organizes and tracks all work in one centralized location. Think of them as your project dashboard containing items, columns, and updates that keep everything clear and collaborative. First, let's create a new board using Monday.com's AI feature. This is the fastest way to get started. Click the plus add button on the left sidebar, then select New Board. Here's the cool part. Instead of starting from scratch, you can describe what you want to manage in the AI prompt box. For example, you might type Marketing Campaign Tracker or Product Launch Timeline. The AI will automatically generate the perfect board structure with relevant columns and even sample items to get you started immediately. Now let's understand how boards are organized. Every board has four main components you need to know. Groups help you categorize information. Think of them as sections like To Do, In Progress, or Done. Items are the individual rows representing your tasks or projects. Columns contain the data that brings your board to life, like status, owner, due dates, or budgets. And subitems add another layer by letting you break down items into smaller tasks. This structure gives you incredible flexibility to organize work exactly how your team needs it. Next, let's talk about board types and how to change them. Monday.com offers three types: main boards visible to all team members, shareable boards that include external collaborators, and private boards for invited users only. To change your board type, click the three-dot menu at the top right of your board, select Board Settings, then Change Board Type. Choose the access level that fits your project needs. Remember, only board owners can make this change, so if you don't see this option, you'll need to ask the board owner. As your boards fill up with data, you'll want to organize how you view information. Let's explore sorting and filtering options. To sort your board, click the sort icon at the top left corner, then add New Sort. You can sort by any column. For example, sort tasks by due date, priority level, or budget amount in ascending or descending order. This helps you quickly see what needs attention first and keeps your workflow organized exactly how you prefer to work. Filtering is equally powerful for drilling down to specific information. Use board filters to show only the items that matter right now, maybe just high-priority tasks, items assigned to specific team members, or projects due this week. This eliminates scrolling through unnecessary information and helps you focus on what's important. You can save frequently used filters to apply them instantly whenever needed. Finally, let's cover collaboration features. While you can comment on individual items, you can also communicate across the entire board using board discussions. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then select Discussion. This opens a conversation space where you can message all board members at once, perfect for announcements, general questions, or team updates that affect the whole project. You'll also notice user icons showing who recently viewed the board, helping you stay aware of team activity. And that's it. You now have all the essential knowledge to create, customize, and manage Monday.com boards effectively. Start with the AI board creation for quick setup. Organize your structure with groups and items, adjust your board type for proper access control, and use sorting and filtering to stay organized. Don't forget to leverage the communication features to keep your team aligned. Try these features out in your own workspace, and you'll be managing projects like a pro in no time.